Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. I've been busy today thanks to my friend Renee, who came over here and helped me to get my serger together. Thank you so much, Renee. I really appreciate all your help. And so today my friend came over. I have a serger. She helped me to get my serger all threaded, and she helped me to get it going so that I can make some pillowcases for a family member who's going to be going out of the country, but they wanted to take a little bit of family with them. So Renee helped me to create these beautiful pillowcases from satin fabric, and this is what we created today. So I created this pillowcase, and I sublimated all these family photos onto the pillowcase. And then there's photos on the front and the back. Ooh, I can't see my camera, so I think you can see all of the pictures. There are pictures on the front and the back, and we made two pillowcases. Let me see if I can do them like maybe half. Let's see. Yeah, that's like one whole one on that side, and then there's another one on that side. And then we also did this one as well. Let's see, fold it in half, get it on the camera a little bit more. So we did this one, and I can't get it folded in half, sorry. And then this one, hopefully it's not seeing through the back of it. But yeah, so there's, and I use my 7720 Sublimation printer. I use my 13 by 19 ASA paper, and I was able to make these two beautiful pillowcases. So I'm going to be getting them out in the mail on Monday. I got to put in my ends from my serger. I want to sew them in. But yeah, so that's what I created today. I'm going to read the word of the Lord, and then I'm going to show you a haul that I got from a couple of different fabric stores that I found here in my area locally. Not Joann's, not Michael's, but a couple of fabric stores. So the word of the Lord today is coming from Isaiah 26, verse 3. And it says, "Thou wilt keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee, because he trusted in thee." And this is Isaiah 26 and 3. And I'm sure this came from the King James Version of the Bible. So if you want to go and read that in your version of the Bible and get the meaning for yourself. But I'll show you the fabrics that I got from the local shop. And then I'll show you the fabric that I used to create the pillowcases. So I bought 2 yards of this fabric right here, and I cut a piece off so I can test the sublimation to get my temperature and time and stuff right. So this was I bought 2 yards of this, and it was 60 inches by, well, I bought 2 yards, so it was 60 by 72 inches. So this is what I use, and it's a nice thick satin fabric. And this is all I have left. So I might sublimate something on that and make something, I don't know. So along with that fabric, at the store that I bought that at, it's a store called Ming Fat. And it's been here in my town for quite a while. But these are some other fabrics that I got from there. And everything is like 60 inches wide on rolls. They don't have any, but they did have a few things that was, I think, on the boat. But most of the fabric is on like a roll. But I got this. I liked this fabric. And it has like all these pretty flowers on it. So I got that. And then I also got this one. And it has a bunch of pretty flowers on it as well. So I got this one. And I got a half a yard of these fabrics. I just got a half a yard. And the fabric was really reasonable. It was $3.75 a yard, which made it $1.50 for a half a yard. And I only needed a half a yard. I just want to try it out and see if I like it. And then I also got this fabric. So I got that one. And when I make something, I'll come back and show you what I make. I also got this fabric. There's a running theme here. Can you tell I like flowers? So I got this one. And I also got these little cute little blue flowers. Oh, I love this fabric. I think they have this at Joann's too. But I think this is a better deal for 60 inches wide for $1.75. And then I also got these pink butterflies. And I might go back and get more of that because I think I want my baby quilt to be butterflies. So I may go back and get more of that, or maybe try to find something pink with flowers on it if I decide to do the rose for the baby quilt. I also got this blue butterfly one, and they did have a green, but I didn't pick up the green. But they did have a green as well. And I love this fabric right here. And it's, of course, another flowery fabric, but I really, really love this one. I think it's so pretty. So I really like this one. And then the only other one I picked up was this little one with these little Chinese dolls on them. I think those are Chinese dolls. I'm not sure. But they got little geisha dolls, little geishas. But these are really cute too. So I got this, and they had this one in a bunch of different colors, but I only picked up the purple one. So that's what I got at a store called Ming Fat, and I think they're only local. I don't even think they sell online, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Next time I go in, I'll check if they do have an online presence. And then I also went to a different local fabric store that sells all kinds of stuff. They even had a little bit of yarn in there, but it was kind of pricey, the yarn that they had. But I didn't go in there for yarn. I heard that they had African fabric. So I went in there and I picked up a quarter of a yard of, I'm not even sure how many, but they didn't write it that way. They just said it was 4.5 yards. So I think it was 12 or 13. And these are just quarter yard pieces, regularly $8.99. So it was about $3 for a quarter of a yard. And so I have this one. I don't know if you could tell that. See that gold sparkle in there? Isn't that pretty? And I just got a quarter of a yard. And I got a quarter of a yard of this one. Let me see. And these were on the roll too. I don't know if you could see that pretty blue, that pretty gold shimmer in there. So I got this one. You see, I'm going to fold them back up because I'm trying to keep everything neat and in its place in here. And then I got this one, which I thought was really pretty, and you could see that metallic color in there. So pretty. I got that. And then I got this one, and you can see the gold metallic in that one as well. And then I got this one, and this one has gold dots. And then I have this one. You can see the gold dots in there. See the shimmer. See, open this one up a little bit more. Yeah, so I really like these fabrics. And then we have this blue one. Blue, red, with gold dots. And then this is another one of my favorites. This one's really pretty. And so what I plan on doing with these is making a book sleeve, seeing how many pouches I can get out of it. And then the scraps I want to put on wood to make some earrings. And if I have enough left over, I'll try to make a lanyard out of it, but we'll see how much I get out of this. I may have to go back and get more, but we have that. And then we have this one. I really like this one too. And it has gold on it as well. You can see that gold shimmer in there. And they had a lot more that I didn't even get. But I'll go back and get some more later if I, sell these. So this one has gold shimmer in it as well. And then I like this color as well. I like the colors. And then we have this one. I like that. This one fell on the floor. We have this one. Let's see. We have this one. And we have this one. Oh, this one is so pretty. That green foil in there. And then I have this one. And this is all that I got of it. It's like just this one. Even the other side is pretty. The side without the metallics. This is the side with all the metallic on it. But even if you wanted to use this side, you could still use this side as well. I don't plan on doing that, but you could. And then I'm going to try to get these done for Mother's Day. So if I go down to the African market in my town, I can, have stuff ready. And then we have this one. This seems like it's odd, this little gray part right here out of all this other, but it's one on each end. That gray is kind of like right in the middle. Not sure what it represents, but it's really pretty. And so that's all I got of it. And then I have one more that's just as equally as beautiful as all the rest. And that is this one. So pretty. I love them. So I probably will be going to get more at some later date. But yeah. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Go ahead, thumbs up that video. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye. Oh, I did get one other thing. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of dark right now, but I'm going to turn my light on over there. And I'm going to, well, I'm not going to. Let me see if I can. I bought a cart from Hobby Lobby. And the cart, let's see if I can scoot you down to where you can see it. Let's see. I'm going to have to take you out. So forgive me for the rustling for just a second. But I got this cart from Hobby Lobby. Let's see. This little gray cart right here. I went to Michael's to get one. And it just had to put all of my little projects on it. I can't even see the camera, so I'm hoping that you're able to see the cart. And I put some beads on it that I got from Joann's. And I put some projects that I'm going to be working on this week on the cart. Because I'm trying to keep everything up off of the floor and everything like that. So I hope my hand is not covering up the camera. Because I can't see. I might have to cut this part out and just show you guys at a later date. But I love this cart. And it was only $20 at Hobby Lobby. So I'm hoping that you can see my cart. But yeah, I love this cart. Came in very handy to get all my stuff up off the table. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.